Good afternoon, it's Jim at Thunderbolt Locks, and I'm here today to show you a vehicle that we just completed. It's a 2024 Chevy Silverado cab with a Knapheide KUV service body installed on the back. And what we've done on this vehicle is secured the compartment doors using the lightning bolt product that we have available. And this product utilizes a tamper-proof high security pin that will thread into a high security anchor that's mounted on a bracket inside each of these compartment doors. So on the front compartment, you can see that we've used our L bracket with the anchor built in. On our center compartment, we've attached an angle bracket and attached it right to this drawer system that they have installed. And on the rear door, again, we used an angle bracket with the anchor installed. And on each of these doors, we've drilled a hole through the front of the panel itself, and we've installed what we call a finishing anchor. So this finishing anchor is the guide for the pin. So it provides a nice clean appearance, and then of course a guide. And the way we have the O-ring set up, slid onto the lightning bolt itself, the pin will stay in place rigidly. You can just pull it out if you want, but rigidly it will stay in place, and it will allow you to open the door without having to remove the pin completely. We've installed pin holders, so in case you remove the pin itself, you could store it into the pin holder that we've mounted right off to the side. And the lightning bolt on these doors has really provided a secure means to have this door protected. As you can see, the door closes, the lightning bolt slides into place, and with a few turns using our key tool, you'll see that just snugging that bolt itself in place really provides a secure means. So if somebody was to compromise the lock assembly that's built into the handle, getting past this lightning bolt itself would be difficult. And to remove this, it's a few turns to the right, slide that bolt out, and you're able to access this compartment door itself. If you have any questions, visit us at thunderboltlocks.com.